को देख के बोलो ठीक।
So being a fresher, we always have certain amount of responsibility after we pass out college. So and we have to practice classical homeopathy only. So how to make money, how to earn?
ओके
और सर मेरे को भी एक क्वेश्चन रहता है कि वेन एवर आई आस्क फॉर मनी आई फील शाय, या फिर जब भी मैं पूछता हूँ मनी के लिए आई फील कि मैं अपने आप को अंडर वैल्यू तो नहीं कर रहा. तो ये दो क्वेश्चन हमेशा मेरे दिमाग में होते हैं वेन एवर आई आस्किंग फॉर मनी. तो इसके बारे में बताना सर.
ओके सो वेरी गुड क्वेश्चंस. So first thing, money is a very important thing in your life. Don't sell that idea that money is not important. Money is the important thing in this planet to survive, to help your family members, to enjoy your life. It's not the ultimate thing, but it's definitely one of the most important thing. Now second, coming to Megha's question, like as a fresher, we all have that my peers like of other fraternity are at least making 20,000 per month, 25,000 per month, roughly 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh per year. So as a classical homeopathic doctor, as a fresher, we feel that will I be able to make such money? Will patients come to me? Patient मेरे पास आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे? मेरी प्रैक्टिस चलेगी कि नहीं चलेगी? मैं अगर प्रैक्टिस खोलता भी हूँ तो पेशेंट कहाँ से आएंगे? मैं इतना पैसा होम्योपैथी ऑफर करेगी कि नहीं? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज़ ऑफ गर्वित कि मुझे पैसे मांगने को शर्म आता है. मनी है मीन्स आई एम अशेम्ड मीन्स हाउ विल आई आस्क. सो आंसरिंग गर्वित क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, like money is an energy exchange. For example, some patient is coming to you, you have given your time, dedication, effort, energy. In return of that, the patient is giving you a certain amount of money, whatever fees you have kept. Ideally, I always ask fresher to keep fees ranging from 200, 200 or 500 depending upon their localities or their expertise or the patient's affordability rate. One patient had taught me a very interesting thing. I am giving a paper, prescription paper, so the patient is giving me a note paper. So it's a very easy task. It's a energy exchange thing. Now coming to Megha's question about making certain amount of money. So now let's break it down. If you have in your heart that I want to make initially 20,000 per month. So if we cut down that mathematics very easily, that means roughly around 600 to 700 rupees you need to make per day. If you assume your fees is 300, that means only 2 patients you need to see per day to make 20,000 per month. Now instead of taking that pressure के मैं 20,000 कैसे कमाऊँगा, 1.5-2 लाख रुपया कैसे कमाऊँगा, ये मेरे से होगा कि नहीं, that becomes an intention, that becomes an ambition, that becomes a goal. So instead of taking the pressure of that goal daily when you wake up, इंस्टेड डेली थिंक के मेरे को दिन के सिर्फ 2 ही पेशेंट लाने हैं, तो ये 2 पेशेंट मुझे कहाँ से मिल सकते हैं. मैं आई कैन क्रिएट ऑनलाइन कॉन्टेंट, आई कैन डू कैंप्स, आई कैन गो विजिट्स माई नेबरिंग सोसाइटी, आई कैन डू अ गूगल एड, आई कैन डू एन इंस्टाग्राम एड, आई कैन क्रिएट मोर कॉन्टेंट. सो इंस्टेड फोकसिंग ऑन के प्रेशर ऑफ टेकिंग के इतना मैं कमा पाऊँगा कि नहीं, इंस्टेड वॉट इज़ नीडेड you can work on that, improve your skill set, improve your case taking, improve your remedy efficiency, improve your each homeopathy skills. Because at the end, ask me, one patient will come, you cure that patient that nicely with complete heart, dedication, love, that patient will bring you 50, 100 patients automatically. So instead focus on your process of being a good doctor rather than taking a pressure of certain amount of money. That money is a byproduct and it is going to come very easily. So thank you so much.